Sansera Engineering Ltd, an automotive components manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1981. They got listed on NSE and BSE in 2021. They are based in Bangalore, with more than 1100 employees and 7500 workers. They have 16 manufacturing plants located in Pantnagar, Gurgaon, Mehsana, Tumkur, Chakan, Bidadi, and Bengaluru. Company also have one international manufacturing unit, located in Sweden. The market cap of the company is 5,415 crore rupees, and currently trading at 1,010 rupees per share. The company has a 18% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 22% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Three main products of the company are connecting rods, rocker arms, and gear shifter forks. Apart from this, company also manufactures products like crankshaft, actuation, cargo systems, aerostructure, pump barrel, and lighting parts. These products are used in various automotive and non-automotive segments like two-wheelers, passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, industrial, off-road vehicles, agriculture, EV, and aerospace. About 44% of the revenue is generated from two-wheeler segment, 23% from passenger vehicles, 11% from commercial vehicles, 10% from EV, 4% from aerospace, 3% from off-road vehicles, 3% from agriculture, and 2% from industrial. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no significant drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are Hero, Royal Enfield, Suzuki, Toyota, Honda, JCB, Fiat, Volkswagen, Boeing, and more. The company has many clientele from domestic and international market. About 71% of the revenue is generated from India, 17% from Europe, 9% from US, and 3% from other countries. Top 5 clients contribute about 51% of the total revenue, indicating high client concentration. Coming to some key highlights. Company is the market leader in India for connecting rods and rocker arms in two-wheeler segment. They are top 10 suppliers of connecting rods in the international market. In 2023, company has made strategic investment in MMRFIC technology to strengthen its research and design capabilities. In 2023, company inaugurated a new facility for the recently ventured aerospace and defense domain. So far, company has on board 15 EV clients. They serve around 96 clients across 27 countries, with a revenue concentration of 24% from exports and 76% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.